Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered if it's really possible to make serious money with dropshipping? What if I told you that in just 30 days, I generated over $10,000 in profit? And the craziest part, I did it by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. In today's video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how I did it, step by step. No gatekeeping, no secrets, just the exact strategy you can use to start your own journey. So, how did this all begin? Like many of you, I was intrigued by dropshipping, but overwhelmed by the competition and the sheer amount of work involved. Finding a winning product, creating compelling ads, writing product descriptions that actually convert, it's a full-time job. I knew there had to be a smarter, more efficient way. That's when I decided to fully integrate AI into every single part of my process. And let me tell you, it was a total game changer. First up, product research. This is where most people get stuck. Instead of spending weeks scrolling through endless supplier pages, I used an AI-powered trend analysis tool. I fed it criteria like high profit margin, low competition, and viral potential on social media. Within minutes, the AI presented me with a curated list of potential winners. The product that stood out was a smart home gadget that solved a common, everyday problem. The data showed a rising search trend and very few established competitors. The AI didn't just find a product, it found an opportunity. With the product selected, the next hurdle was building a store that looked professional and trustworthy. I used an AI website builder. I simply described my product, my target audience, tech-savvy homeowners, and the vibe I was going for, which was sleek and modern. The AI generated a complete Shopify store layout, including a logo, color scheme, and even placeholder images. But the real magic happened with the product descriptions. I fed the AI the product features from my supplier, and it churned out persuasive, benefit-driven copy that spoke directly to the customer's pain points. What would have taken me days of writing and tweaking was done in under an hour. Now for the most critical part, marketing. How do you get your product in front of the right people? Again, AI was my secret weapon. I used an AI tool to generate dozens of ad variations for Facebook and TikTok. I'm talking different video hooks, different calls to action, and different ad copy. The AI analyzed top-performing ads in my niche and helped me craft content that was designed to go viral. I created short, engaging video ads using AI-powered video editors that took simple product clips and turned them into eye-catching masterpieces with captions and music. Once the ads were live, the AI didn't stop working. So there you have it. $10,000 in profit in 30 days. It wasn't luck, it was a system. By using AI for product research, store creation, copywriting, and ad management, I was able to build a profitable dropshipping business faster and more efficiently than I ever thought possible. This isn't about replacing human effort, it's about amplifying it. If you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed, I highly encourage you to explore these AI tools. The future of e-commerce is here, and it's more accessible than ever. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how to build and scale your online business. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Do my best to answer every single one. Until next time, keep building.